This is Zenas King, and he is the founder of, he founded the King Bridge Company and King Iron Bridge and Manufacturing Company, and he done did many bridges here in Cleveland, like for his movable bridges. He does fixed bridges too, and he does vertical lift bridges. He done fabricate that shows a roller lift bridge in Cleveland, Ohio. You have some roller lift bridges here and some swing bridges here, and vertical lift bridges all around the world, like Illinois and everywhere else in the United States. But I believe the famous one that he done, that designed to build, was the Center Street Swing Bridge. And I'm going to show you. And in Cleveland, Ohio. And that's a bobtail swing bridge, which the Center Street Swing Bridge. It's rim bearing, and they had repaired and replaced the rim bearing. It's still a rim bearing though, but it's got teeth around the rack, force tapers and whatnot, right? And so, it was built in 1901 by Cleveland's own King Bridge Company. And then I'm show you like when it swings closed. That is closed. And so and they had repaired a lot of repairs on this bridge, but it's back open now. Everybody's closed for highway traffic. So across the Cuyahoga River in Cleveland, Ohio, the most famous bridge, the Center Street Swing Bridge by the King Bridge Company and the Zenas King. And King Iron and Bridge and Manufacturing Company. Now this is John Philo Cohen. He designed the Cohen Company in Cleveland, Ohio, and he done designed the rolling bearing basket bridge, and it's in Cleveland, Ohio. And I'm gonna show you his bridge in Cleveland, Ohio. Now it's being built over the Cuyahoga River and on Jefferson Avenue. Yeah, this is the rolling bearing basket bridge, which is that's the Cohen rolling bearing basket bridge crossing the Cuyahoga River in Cleveland, Ohio, which is removed due to the fire, right? Cuyahoga River fire. That's the rim bearing right here, right? That's the detail of it. The end result of it was 1952 Cuyahoga River fire, and it was beyond repair, and so it was removed. And so that's John Philo Cohen's basket bridge, rolling bearing train basket bridge in Cleveland, Ohio. Now these are the two men that designed John W. Page's Basco Bridge. Now this one is what's his name? You got William M. Hughes and Shnable. And so Shnable Arrow. So these are John W. Page, two panties that painted his Basco Bridge. And I'm gonna show you his design plan. Then I'm show you his bridges. The first one in South Fork, South Grand Chicago River, in Chicago, Illinois. This is the design plan of a Page type Basco Bridge, and it was built in 1906, used by the Chicago-Milton Railroad. See the bridge? See, look at the mechanism. When the bridge raises, the kind of way it raises with it, like a book page, right? And so, see, look at that. It's lowered, you see? You got only 4 page types. One's in Indiana, the other one is here, but it was a double leaf on Ashland Avenue, and then one double leaf in San Francisco, California. I'm gonna show you another view. Right now, it's in a fixed position. It's still in useful train traffic, but it no longer operates. And the machinery is there, but they done removed the machinery for us there. So yeah, so this is a Page type. Designed by John W. Page, and it's a Page Shnable type Basco Bridge, train bridge. Crosses the South Fork, South Grand Chicago River in Chicago, Illinois. It's the first Page Basco Bridge built. Now this is a Hopkins frame Basco Bridge, right? And it was designed by Leonard Hopkins, and it's a Florida 40 single-leaf Basco Bridge. Crosses the St. Johns River in Oyster, Florida. Yeah, designed by Leonard Hopkins. Yeah, he did designed some other bridges, Leonard Hopkins and Sons. There you go. It's in Florida, over the St. Johns River. It's still in service. what credits do. The information I'm getting is from Nathan Hoff. All credit to him. Now this is Onward Inventors. They constructed the swing bridge in Chicago, Illinois. This is Bridge Z6, Bloomingdale Line Rebel Swing Bridge. It's built in 1899. It's abandoned to rail traffic February 2018. So, and it's used by the Chicago Turnpike Railroad. So, now this is the Center Bearing Swing Bridge, and it's abandoned over the North Branch Chicago River, located in Chicago, Illinois. Now this Oliver Swing Bridge was constructed by the American Bridge Company. It's a double-decker, and between Duluth, Minnesota, and Oliver, Wisconsin. Credit to John A. Weeks III. Now this bridge was also was fabricated by built by the Interstate Transfer Railway, and so these bridges have submitted like these bridges like Bethlehem, Steel, and all bridge companies, and then you got these inventors and everything that works to construct these bridges, fixed bridges in general, and movable bridges of all types. So now this is again cross. Now this bridge crosses the St. Louis Bay between Duluth, Minnesota, and Oliver, Wisconsin. And these are the bridges that are educational purposes, because again I study them and I draw them. I draw them all, most of them, not all, but most of them. But it's all pay off. So.